In this video, we're going to look at building an APK and using our Android device to actually install our game. So to get started, go to File, Build Settings, select Android, and what we need to do is we need to actually click Build. From there, you'll be able to name your APK, and an APK file is what the Android device uses to run an Android application. Now, what's important to know here is how you're going to get it on your device. There are numerous amounts of ways. However, the easiest that I've found is if you have a Dropbox account, it's free to sign up. Go ahead and save your APK to your Dropbox account, and then on your mobile device, your Android device, go to your Dropbox, and you can actually click on the file, download it, and install it right from there. So we're going to go ahead and save the APK, and it's going to go ahead and take several minutes to build. So while that's happening, go ahead and pause the video. When that's finished, you'll see in your Dropbox now you have your Galaxy Shooter APK. And on your mobile device, what you'll want to do is open up Dropbox. You can download the app or you can go to it on your web, click the file, and it will say download. It will take a minute to download, and then it's going to ask you if you'd like to install it. Hit yes, and when it's finished installing, you'll be able to open it up, and you'll be able to play your game on the mobile device. Tilt your device sideways, and it should work just fine. So I'm playing it right now on my Galaxy S5, and everything works really well. Now, with Android development and mobile development, there's a flaw in the Galaxy shader that we're using. On my device, I'm running about 5 frames per second, which is almost unplayable. And unless you have the latest and greatest technology, the shader may or may not work. So in order to get a consistent 60 frames per second frame rate on your mobile device, you're going to have to disable the shader as it's a PC-only shader. So to do that, select your Galaxy and turn off the mesh renderer so that we don't render it. And you have a couple options here. What we can do is select the main menu, click on background under the camera component, and change this to black. As you can see here, it actually looks pretty good with just a black background and the BG overlay that we have. Another alternative for you is to find a static piece of art that you like online, and you can do research to create a parallax effect, which will give you a moving Galaxy feel. If you go ahead and rebuild the process, you'll get a great running game on your mobile device.